Hi, both. Thanks for joining us today on our Business Gurus channel, where we will be discussing key business topics to help students grasp the most important elements of their course in preparation for their exams and future career. Let's get started.
Welcome to the deep dive. Have you ever had that feeling where a company seems to just get you? Like an ad pops up and it's weirdly specific.
Yeah. Or you see a product that feels like it was made just for you.
Exactly. Well, today we're diving into some source material to figure out how businesses actually do that. Our mission, basically, is to unpack the methods the source talks about, how companies identify groups of customers, like you, and then use that knowledge to connect.
That's right. It's really about moving past trying to sell the same thing in the same way to everyone.
Hmm.
The core idea, as the source highlights, is knowing that potential customers aren't just one big blob. They're, different groups, segments.
Okay.
And understanding these differences is what fuels, well, smarter business strategies.
Right. These groups, the source calls them market segments, yeah. So how do businesses actually figure out these segments? Is it just like intuition?
No, not really. The source makes it clear it's more analytical. It's about dividing up the potential customers based on things they have in common. Things like, age, location, what they're interested in, maybe past purchases, even lifestyles and attitudes, that kind of psychographic stuff.
Okay, so data-driven.
Yeah, grouping people who will likely react similarly to marketing. And building on that, the source also mentions market mapping.
Market mapping, what's that?
It's basically visualizing these segments. Imagine a map showing where different customer groups sit relative to each other, or maybe compared to competitors.
Ah, okay, like seeing the whole playing field.
Exactly. It helps businesses spot opportunities, maybe see where the competition is heavy, or find groups that aren't being served well. It's a visual strategy tool, really, built from that segmentation data.
Interesting. So once they have this map, this picture, how does knowing that turn into action? What specific tactics does the source say they use?
Well, the source lays out four main ways this knowledge gets used. First up is differentiated products.
Meaning like not just a one-size-fits-all approach.
Precisely. They create different versions or variations of a product designed for specific segments. Think about software with different tiers,
Mm.
basic, pro, enterprise.
Mm-hmm.
Or cars. You've got family cars, sports cars, luxury cars.
Right, or even like shampoo for different hair types.
Exactly. Tailoring the actual product features to what a particular group wants or needs.
Okay, got it. What's the second method?
Second is special offers. And this isn't just putting everything on sale. These are promotions, deals, discounts,
Mm-hmm.
specifically created for certain segments.
Like loyalty points for regulars.
Yeah, or student discounts, maybe special bundles for businesses versus individuals. It's crafting an incentive that really speaks to that group.
Right. And the third one, the one we probably all notice a lot, targeted advertising.
Oh, absolutely. This is huge. Instead of just blasted an ad everywhere,
Mm.
businesses use that segment knowledge to aim their ads precisely at the people most likely to care.
So using specific social media platforms where they know certain groups hang out.
Exactly. Or placing ads on websites related to specific hobbies or even, targeting direct mail to certain neighborhoods. It's putting the message right where the target segment is likely to see it.
Makes sense. Okay, and the last one the source mentioned.
Number four is increased product range.
So just offering more stuff.
Well, yes, but strategically. It's about expanding the variety of products to attract completely new segments, or maybe to serve existing niche groups even better. Think of a clothing store starting basic, then adding sportswear, or plus sizes, or maternity wear,
Okay.
or a phone company releasing models at different price points. It's about broadening the appeal to cover more of that market map.
So these four things, differentiated products, special offers, targeted ads, and a wider range, they all seem to flow directly from understanding those market segments first, which brings us back to you, the listener.
Right. Why should you care about all this business strategy stuff? Well, because you're on the receiving end every single day. That weirdly specific ad you saw, the email coupon that seemed perfect, the massive choice you face when shopping.
Yeah.
That's likely businesses using these exact methods based on the segment they think you fit into. Understanding this kind of helps explain why your experience as a consumer feels tailored sometimes.
It definitely pulls back the curtain a bit, doesn't it? So the big takeaway from this deep dive really is that businesses are quite systematic. They use knowledge about customer groups, segmentation, mapping to carefully choose their products, their deals, their ads, and how much variety they offer.
Exactly. It's all about making a more effective connection with specific people. And that leads to a little something for you to think about. Given these methods, how might the actual location, physical or digital, where you encounter a product or an offer, give you clues about which segment that business thinks you belong to?
Thanks to both of you for joining us today. You've been listening to the Business Gurus. Let's now hand it over to you. What further questions do you have based on what we've discussed so far? Leave a comment and we'll get back to you right away. If you haven't already, hit that follow for more business tips.